it was a long time, and it was very bad, because all this, like about 3 years, we were in the villages and these partisans, and at the end, what was happened, German troops were pulling back because the Soviet troops were fighting them, and they were putting back, and this was, they call it Great Blockade. They were cleaning all the woods and villages, killing people. The partisans themselves went to fight with the Germans, but families were hiding in the woods, no bread, no water, no nothing. And I remember very well, to have water, we had to, it was swamps, you know, like in Belarus, it's a lot of this. So to put this like this, to have water. I was the main bread provider. I was the main, because I was a little girl, probably cute, I don't know. So my mother and grandmother were hiding in the forest, and I would go to the villages and ask for a piece of bread. And they would give it to me, because little girl, you know, people were not so bad. So I would take some bread from the, but it was also quite difficult to know where to go. Anywhere could wait for me to be killed. But I went and brought some bread to them, some cooked potatoes or something, because in the forest then we could not make fire or nothing.